Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize GoHighLevel for agency lead generation funnels step by step clearly. To authorize GoHighLevel for your agency lead generation funnels, begin by logging into your GoHighLevel account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the settings icon, typically located in the bottom left corner. Click on the settings icon to access account settings. In the settings menu, locate the API keys section. Click on API keys to view your existing keys and generate new ones. If you don't have an API key yet, click on the Create API Key button. Title your new API key for easy identification. After naming your key, click on the Save button to generate it. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and go to the lead generation funnel platform you wish to integrate with GoHighLevel. Log into your account on that platform. Find the Integration Settings section. Look for an option to add a new integration or connect a new API. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designation. Ensure that you configure any additional settings needed for this integration. Once you have confirmed all settings are correct, click on the Connect or Save button. After the integration is complete, test it by creating a sample lead funnel. Monitor the connection to ensure leads are being captured in GoHighLevel. If you encounter any issues, revisit the integration settings for troubleshooting. Once successful, you can start building and optimizing your lead generation funnels on GoHighLevel. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.